Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing chat history, sync now messenger not showing up. So guys, if you want to secure your chats in your Facebook Messenger, or you want to turn on end-to-end encryption on your Facebook chats in your Facebook Messenger, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You have to simply go back to your home screen for one time, and now you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store. So guys, open your App Store or Play Store and search here for Facebook Messenger. So guys, here it is, and now you have to simply update your messenger to the latest version. So guys, update your messenger here, and once you update your messenger, you have to simply go back to your home screen again, and now you have to simply open your messenger, and from here tap on three lines button, tap on settings for this gear button, scroll it below, tap on privacy and safety, and now tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, tap on message storage, and tap on turn on secure storage from here. So guys, after this you will see this interface. Simply tap on create a 6-digit pin. From here tap on continue, and from here you have to simply create your pin to secure your chats. So guys, simply enter the pin, confirm the pin. So guys, here you can see this end-to-end encryption is now turned on your Facebook Messenger, and now your chats will be secure and you will be able to reach your chats on your other devices as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.